Hi mommies! This is a first time mom. So today I'm 38 weeks and 2 days. The time has come, so let's pack my baby's hospital bag. So ito yung mga nasa hospital bag ko. So this is my set 1. Receiving blanket, long sleeve baruan, pajama, bonnet, mittens, booties, lampin, bigkis, diaper. So this is my set 2. A receiving blanket with hoodie, long sleeve baruan, pajama, bonnet, mittens, booties, lampin, bigkis, diaper. Next is going home outfit ni baby. Receiving blanket with hoodie, frog suit ni baby, mittens, lampin, bigkis, diaper. Baby essentials care kit, cotton balls, cotton buds, baby wipes, thermometer, nasal aspirator, baby comb and baby hairbrush, nail cutter. My other baby essentials, baby bath and shampoo, then baby lotion, petroleum jelly, betadine yung color yellow, manzanilla, alcohol, baby oil, in a rush, after shots, and after bites, fever patches. Next is extras. So I have here 2 receiving blankets with hoodie, 2 ternong baruan, 2 bonnet, 2 mittens, 2 socks, booties, 2 din, 2 lampin, 2 bigkis, and extra newborn diapers. So next part is yung sa side naman ni mommy. So nagprepare ako dito sa mommy set 1 ng pajama set, adult diaper, socks, and underwear. So this is my mommy set 2 and ang laman niya is same lang din with mommy set 1. Pajama set, adult diaper, socks, and underwear. So next is mommy going home outfit. I have here another pajama set, adult diapers, socks, underwear. So I also have here mommy essentials, maternity pads, adult diaper, baby wipes, tissue, betadine feminine wash, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash. Ito yung ibang nasa list ko. Laundry bag, face mask, and breastfeeding cover, baby bottle, and baby milk. So yun mommies, yun yung laman nung maleta namin na dala para sa hospital bag ni baby. Tapos nagdala din ako ng extra bag. Yung laman ng extra bag namin is eto, set 1 ng clothes ni daddy niya. Tapos, set 2, clothes din ni daddy. Shorts and t-shirt and underwear lang naman ito. Tapos, may laman din na hospital documents. So, para if in case, madali lang siyang hugutin dito. Tapos, naglagay din ako dito sa bulsa ng comb, lotion, deodorant. Tapos naglagay din ako ng extra wipes para madali lang siyang dukutin dito sa packet ng bag. Then sa hospital documents, ito yung mga papakita ko sa inyong dala-dala ko. Admitting orders ni Doc. So para if anytime na pumunta kami sa hospital, papakita lang namin yung admitting orders. Then nandito din yung OB ultrasound reports ko, yung history, tsaka yung mga results, and history din nung sa aking laboratory reports, and ultrasound, yan yung yung may picture. Tapos nandito din yung result ng aking CAS, and andito din yung blood type ni husband ko, daddy ni baby. Then andito din yung HMO details ko kasi employed ako. Andito din yung vaccination cards namin mag-asawa. Tapos nandito din yung cheat sheet na birth certificate ni baby. So, para gagayahin na lang siya and kokopyahin na lang siya ng husband ko. Tapos, nandito din yung copy ng marriage certificate namin. And, syempre, yung copy din ng birth certificate namin. So, yun yung mga nilalaman nung aking hospital documents na folder. And bago ko makalimutan, nandito din pala yung, yung sa PhilHealth na details namin, which is yung MDR and yung both original ID namin nandito din. So, yun lang. I hope na nakatulong or bigay ako ng tips sa ibang mommies dyan na magsisimula pa lang magayos ng hospital bag nila. And, if ever na may nakalimutan ako, pwede nyo i-comment below. So, yan lang. Thank you for watching this video. If natapos mo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you on my next vlog.
I begin to